Okay, we're giving this a sanding down here. So we get it smoothed down, pretty much what we want. We're going to put some lines in here on our eyebrows. Make a few bigger ones. We got that part done. Now we're going to do these eyes. We're going to drill these eyes out, and I used a 1-inch plastic ring here to make my circles for my eyes. So we're going to get them out and work on those. I'm going to be using a 5/8" drill bit here to bore this out. want to do is we want to stay within our line here. Otherwise the eye will fall out. We're going to use these acrylic eyes, which are about 1 inch. So we'll be using these. So what we'll do is we can take the back of this off now. And this is the part you take off if you ever have to get inside. You just take those 2 screws out, and then this back will slide out. So if you ever have to get inside to make any kind of repairs, you can do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out in here and over here. We've got to go about maybe 3/4 of an inch so our eyeball will sit down in there correctly. We'll take some of this out in here so our spring won't catch, and we're going to groove some of this out in here so our string doesn't catch on the wood when we attach our string. So what we'll do is we'll go from the inside to the outside and work on this. And I'll use this here to open it up. If you can see, we've gone in behind this and opened it up there. So what we'll do is we'll take some out in here, and what we do is we keep going back and forth from the outside to the inside until we get our eyes where we want them, to where they're going to fit good. So we'll be going back and forth. We'll go to the inside now. So as you can see, we go from the inside to the outside to get it opened up. So we're going to keep going back and forth until we get this to the size that we want it, and then we'll come back with the next video. Thanks for watching.